About a month ago, MTN increased their tariff, and ever since then, we have been struggling. So today, I want to show you 7 codes that can help you on your data journey. If you are online or you are at home browsing, make sure you watch this video to the end to know these 7 codes I'm going to be mentioning in this video. As you all know, data is life. If this is a video you like to watch to the end, please kindly subscribe, like, share and comment, and let me show you these 7 codes that you're going to use to get this cheap data from MTN. So the first one is you're going to be dialing star 312 star 88 hash, star 312 star 88 hash. So here you will be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gig plus 500 MB, and this is a monthly plan. So if you are good with this particular offer, you can go with it. You can see this particular offer is very cheap, 1.5 gig for just 200 naira. So let's proceed to the second one, which is star 344 star 2 star 1 hash, star 344 star 2 star 1 hash. Says you'll be charged 50 naira for the purchase of 200 plus 250 MB, and this is a 14-day plan, which is for 2 weeks. This particular offer is going to be valid for just 2 weeks. So let's move on to the third code, which is star 406 star 3 hash, star 406 star 3 hash. So this is like a night plan, okay? You're using 75 naira to get 500 MB, and this offer is going to start from 10 p.m. in the night to 6 a.m. in the morning. Let's move on to the fourth code, which is star 312 star 100, star 312 star 100 hash. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 gigabyte, and this data is going to be valid for 30 good days. Isn't this cheap? Rush this offer. It's very good. The fifth code is star 312 star 1 star 1 hash, star 312 star 1 star 1 hash. So here you're using 75 naira for 75 MB, 100 naira for 110 MB, 200 naira for 230 MB, 350 naira for 500 MB, and then 500 naira for 1 gig, and then 1000 naira for 3.2 gig. I think this particular offers are very cheap. And then here you're also using 750 naira for 2 gig, and then of course 900 naira for 2.5 gig. So it is very good, as you can see. All right, let's move on to the sixth code, which is star 312 star 86 hash. You'll be charged 20 naira for the purchase of 75 MB plus another 75 MB, and this is a weekly plan. So if you like this particular offer, you can still proceed with it. All right, so let's move on to the final code, which is the seventh code, star 312 star 199 hash, star 312 star 199 hash. It says here, get 1.5 gig plus 100 MB YouTube music for 600 naira. So if you want to go with this plan, you just proceed with it, and then you follow the instructions here, and then you go with it. As you can see, it's a very cheap data. So anyone that best suits your plan, you can just choose from it.